Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Voyager 6200 UC to the application. So firstly we should pair these earbuds with a phone and open settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Now, if you have Android, also click pair new device and at the right earbud, right here, this one is the right one, we have this slider. So, just slide up and hold to this Bluetooth icon. And now we hold it and wait until the lights start flashing. Here we go, we have it. Now we can see it as the device list, so click on it. And now hide the settings. Open the application. Now we should enter a password. And we did it! It automatically added to the application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!